Hi, my name is Carrie Fulgham, and I'm going to be showing you our Smart Notebook today. Last time I was here with you, we did the Smart Notebook software, and we looked at the different tools that you can use in Smart Notebook in your classroom and how that was going to look for you and how to access those. Today, we're going to look at the Smart Notebook Labs. So, if you will open your Smart Notebook, then we are going to start by opening the lab activities. Okay, so it's at the top under your settings. It is a little monster looking guy. That is our Smart Lab app. Okay, and when we open that, we get all of these options. So you can see there's a lot of smart labs that we can look at. Um, we're going to look at label reveal first. So if you will click on the label reveal, what this is going to allow you to do is you can import a picture, upload a picture, and then you can add labels to it. So students will be able to go look at that picture and look at the different parts and see all of the pieces of it. This could be applicable to your math students using shapes. This could be applicable to your reading students using parts of a story. This could be applicable to your social studies, doing a timeline. Science, obviously, you could do food chains. And what we're going to show you today is I'm going to upload a picture of an animal and label the different parts of the animal. So I start by clicking on my drag an image or browse for one, and it will open up your desktop, and you can see that all your folders and everything. Go to desktop, and I have an image of a shark saved. So anything that you have saved there. So prior to creating this, you'll want to save an image. So for today, you can just use something that you already have. Click open, and that will open that picture inside of Smart Notebook. Now it says click within the image to add labels. So now I can click anywhere on this picture and add a label. So I'm going to start by clicking on the dorsal fin here, and I get a box so I can type in. I'll open up my keyboard here, and I would type in dorsal fin, and then when I get done, all I have to do is click on a different area to start another one. So I'm going to click here and add my gills. Okay, then I can click the nose, and we can talk about the sensory things that a shark can do with their nose. I can click the mouth and talk about the teeth or the jaws and how those are used. We could talk about the fin in the back and how it's used for swimming and speed. Um, so once I've finished with all my labels, I've got options here. I can change image. So if you upload something you want to switch, you can do that. I can change style. Okay, so I can add some different shapes to my labeling. There, I like the stars, so I'll leave that. Okay, and then once you're finished, you just hit that finish button, and it's going to open with your Smart Lab activity. Okay, you can see that all of our labels are now question marks. So this could be sent out to kids using our cell phone looking spot there. They can go to Class Lab and put the code in so your kids can join, and then they have it um, on their computer screen to work with. How great for taking notes and those kind of things. Um, when they click on the question mark, it'll reveal that so we can talk about the different things that go along with that label. Okay. From there, you've got your sound up here and you've got your editing tools. So if you get to this and you're like, oh, I need to label something else, you can come to your pencil. It'll open that back up and I can add another label. Okay. So, any questions about label reveal?